guys. I got nobody. Doing this solo, doing this by myself, and I have a whole lot to talk about today. We're going to go look at the suites. We're going to talk about the new Moana rooms.
No, I am here. It is not just Daniel, it is both of us.
Thankfully,
we are here today.
There is no way I can do it all by myself.
No, you'd be overwhelmed.
Okay.
So, yes, we are here at the Polynesian, and I'm super excited because we had the opportunity to come and visit all of the new Moana themed rooms. So we're going to be taking a full look, a nice little tour, seeing all the little details, and we even have the opportunity to speak with an Imagineer, and I am so excited about that. So, of course, we're gonna take you along. We're gonna have a great time together.
Like always.
And we're gonna have a really great day. So, let's do this. You ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Let's go. Right when you walk in, you are immediately greeted with this amazing art piece here. You see Hey, there's little Pua. I love all of the bright and beautiful details in this, as well as you can even find little iguana Maui hiding amongst the leaves. This here is the living room space. It's so cozy and comfortable. I love the vibes in this space, as well as you have a gorgeous view of the lagoon. I love that the suites are located just right off the main lobby of the Polynesian. It's so close to absolutely everything. I love having a good location when you're at the hotel, so this is perfect. Since this is a 1-bedroom suite, you are going to be able to sleep up to 5 people in this room. So you have 2 queen beds and the 1 pull-out bed on the couch. I do have to say, as a space, it's a really great amount of space. I think one of the most impressive things to me is going to be the closet / bathroom space. It's fantastic. I mean, you can fit so much stuff in here. You have the nice sliding door here, and look at this vanity. This is gorgeous. I love this vanity. It is so cool to have something like this. I've never seen it in any of the other Disney rooms. So to have that, I just think it's just an extra little, fun little something. The bathroom is great as well. You have the dual sinks and a shower, as well as the door to the actual part of the restroom does close, which is really nice. So you can kind of have your own private space.
So we just got to check out the single bedroom suite at the Polynesian, totally rethemed to Moana.
It was so cool.
I have never even been in a room that was that fancy, let alone a hotel that fancy. The vanity, fantastic. All of the Moana themed Mary Blair-esque art with all the characters in it, wonderful.
Oh yeah, and it's kind of one of those things where you walk in and it just takes your breath away. Like, it was just, I don't even have words to
because
even
it
comprehend.
Was so much to take in. It was overwhelming.
Yes.
But the view, seeing Magic Kingdom from that huge balcony,
magical.
Great artwork in here with the Moana inspiration. We brought in some of the tattoo patterns, a lot of the details in the character IP that you can see there, just little hidden gems that you can find as you're looking through. And then as you move across, you find the details in the lampshades on the wall sconces. Also up in the headboard, you can see reference to the Heart of Nafidi. And then the color palette that we chose for this is really inspired by the Pacific Ocean to bring you back to that whole feeling. The floor is the nicer light color to help you feel that beach wood feel. Make you think about the sand along within the restroom as you go back out, you can see that detail. We have some nice silhouettes on the lampshades around, so you still have more of that character reference as you're looking around, little moments that you can just find, and then each time you walk in, you see little details that you missed the first time. I still do it every day that I walk in. Great pattern reference on all of the fabrics, so that we have that nice color and the pattern that kind of ties back. And then this is the feature wall with all of the great character reference that we have.
So cool.
It's one of those pieces that you just kind of sit at and you look at it for multiple times so you can find everything, because it's just, there's so much of it to look at as you're going through, and you see little references. We have Maui on the wall, we have Moana on the wall, and then just nice tattoo patterns that tie back to the movie really well. And then one of the pieces that everyone loves the most is at the beverage island, you have Hey Hey sitting there looking at you, which is a great little detail. So, you know, as you wake up in the morning, I think we all look like that when we're first up. That's a great detail as well.
So cool.
And then in the restroom area, in the shower on the back wall, you'll see some additional detail
Oh,
with the tattoo
wow.
pattern, and along with the fabrics as you're moving through.
Another great detail was this lampshade. This is fantastic. It goes all the way around, and you have this beautiful art piece of Moana looking out onto the water with Pua.
Beautiful. Love them all so much. All of the rooms across property have been getting upgraded recently, and it's so nice to see that even though they're adding intellectual property, they're still staying true to the theme of the resort. So they're not going crazy, just sticking things willy-nilly. Moana fits in perfectly with the theme of the Polynesian, and it was gorgeous. Loved it so much.
My biggest thing will always be details. So being able to see the characters, even in just the artwork or lampshades or literally anything, just small little details make the experience. And I think that they did such a good job with that. It's absolutely fantastic, and I'm just completely in love. I can only dream of one day being actually able to stay in one of the Moana rooms, but wow, I am so thankful for this experience because I love Moana. She's one of my favorite princesses, and so to really take it in was so cool. I'm so happy. Well, my friends, we are done for the day. That was so incredible. I'm so grateful for the experience that we had because I just,
it's not something that you can just go and check out.
No, not at all.
So it was incredible to be able to go into the rooms, talk to the Imagineers, see everything first person and not just through pictures. Loved it.
It was a really special experience, and I'm so glad that we got to take you along with us. It really means a lot, and thank you to Disney for having us out, and I hopefully one day we can actually stay in the Moana rooms, and, we just got to save up some money and, get it going.
We'll do it.
We'll do it.
Love the Polynesian.
I know, I love the Polynesian. It's the freaking best. Have a great rest of your day, and we will see you all later.
We'll be here.
Bye.
Bye. Stop. Go back to where you were. Do Eugene from the end of Grease.
Huh?
Eugene from the end of Grease.